Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use dual apps in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to use dual app for your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your app store and you have to try to install a third party app for this. And here you just have to simply search for dual apps. You can also search for app explorer. So let's say I'm gonna search for dual apps here, and you will get different apps providing dual app services. So let's say I'm going to select this parallel app here. So it might be perfect for your phone because it has 4.5 ratings. So you can easily install it by tapping on this get option and it will start it installing. So after installing a dual app, so you can easily make clones or use dual apps for any of your apps. You just have to tap on this open option once the app has been installed. Here, just wait for its first time loading. You might also get some ads, so you just have to try to skip ads. Then mark this, then tap on the continue option here. Now you just have to select parallel spaces and just select this plus option here, and you can easily add any app here. Let's say I'm gonna add my WhatsApp here, so you can add more than one WhatsApp into this app. So just tap on this plus option and your WhatsApp apps will be added. So you can easily use dual apps. You just have to tap on the WhatsApp here and you can easily use it here. So in this way, you can easily create dual apps or create clones of any app on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.